In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a customer in Xero step by step. If you're new to Xero or just getting started with managing your sales and invoices, adding customers correctly is one of the most important first steps. Once your customers are set up properly, you can send invoices, track payments, and manage your accounts receivable with ease. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process in a clear and simple way. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options like Business, Accounting, and Payroll. To add a customer, click on Sales. When the drop-down menu appears, select Customers. This will take you to your Customer Contacts page, where you can see a list of all the customers you've already added. If you're adding a customer for the first time, this list may be empty. That's completely fine. In the top right corner of the Customers page, you'll see a blue button labeled Add Contact. Go ahead and click on that button. Now, you'll be taken to the Contact Creation form. This is where you enter your customer's details. The first field you need to fill in is the contact name. This is the main name that will appear on invoices and reports. You can enter either a business name or an individual's name. For example, you might type something like ABC Services if it's a company, or John Smith if it's an individual client. Next, scroll down to the Primary Contact section. This part is especially important if you plan to email invoices directly from Xero. Here, you'll enter your customer's first name and last name. Make sure the spelling is correct, because this information will appear in your email communications. Right below that, enter the email address. This field is very important, because Xero uses this email when you send invoices or statements. Double-check that the email is accurate to avoid delivery issues later on. Depending on your needs, you can also add additional information, such as phone numbers, billing addresses, delivery addresses, tax details, or financial settings. While these fields are optional, filling them out can help you stay organized and ensure your invoices contain all the correct information. For example, adding a billing address means it will automatically appear on invoices, saving you time in the future. Take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Accuracy here is key because this data flows directly into your sales documents and reports. Once you're happy with everything, go ahead and click the Save and Close button. As soon as you do that, Xero will create the new customer contact and return you to the customers list. And that's it. You successfully added a customer in Xero. Now, whenever you create a new invoice, you'll be able to select this customer directly from your contacts list. This makes the invoicing process much faster and keeps all your customer records organized in one place. To quickly recap, go to Sales, click Customers, select Add Contact, enter the contact name, fill in the primary contact details including first name, last name, and email, then click Save and Close. Simple, clean, and efficient. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. I'll be sharing more step-by-step guides to help you manage your accounting and business finances with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.